Assalamu alaikum. Hello, Zulfikar bhai. How are you? Let me adjust the
I'm good,
feed.
Assalamualaikum. How are you?
I'm good, and thank you so much, Zulfikar bhai, for joining us in this Instagram live transmission.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me, buddy.
जुल्फिकार भाई सबसे पहले तो एक जो चीज आपने एक बहुत इंटीग्रल पार्ट प्ले किया था इन टर्म्स ऑफ जो जायरीन का हमने देखा था व्हेन दे वर ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम ईरान एंड इसके अलावा जो डिफरेंट लोग थे वो उम्रा करके भी आ रहे थे सो आपने उस वक्त उनको सेल्फ क्वारंटीन में रखा था टेल अस अबाउट दिस कि ये इंफॉर्मेशन पहले से आ रही थी एंड हाउ वाज इट वर्किंग दैट यू एक्चुअली टुक द राइट स्टेप्स एट द राइट टाइम
Actually, मेरा जायरीन का उसमें नहीं था. I wasn't related into that situation. But what it was is that you have a long border with Iran, and we
या
have a lot of zaireen that go by foot. तो जब वो border पे पहुंचे ताफ्तान तो the Iranians had basically given them a exit stamp.
ओके
तो उसमें वन यू आर द बॉर्डर, मैं तो गया हूँ ताफ्तान बॉर्डर काफी दफा, खुद देखा है मैंने. तो जब आप वहां होते हैं तो इट्स वेरी there's nowhere to stay. So once they were out stamped, basically the exit stamp, then we had to the government decided to take them in and put them into quarantine on Taftan. जिस पे criticism भी की आई कि क्यों लिया है, इंडिया ने नहीं लिया. आई मीन दो तीन जाहिलाना किस्म के इल्जाम
ऑफ
लगे हैं,
कोर्स
लेकिन इसमें मैं आपको क्लैरिफाई कर दूं कि पहली बात ये कहते हैं कि इंडिया ने वो प्रेशर नहीं लिया. कई एंकर्स ने, लोगों को
जी
ये नहीं अंदाजा कि इंडिया का बॉर्डर ही नहीं है ईरान के साथ, तो दे डोंट हैव दैट
एग्जैक्टली
इशू
दे आर नॉट फेमिलियर
दैट
विद द
वी हैव विद
डेमोग्राफिक्स
अस.
एज वेल
Secondly, मैं आपको ये भी बता दूं कि there is not even one case which has been transferred, and all the provinces have unanimously agreed that there's been no spread of the Zaireen that have come by foot of Taftan. The
वाह
spread of Zaireen that we talk about is by air, when 900,000 people got screened at the airport, including the Zaireen. That is where the spread has come. So
ठीक है
now, but the ones that have come by foot, उनका कोई spread नहीं हुआ, और ना उनमें से अभी तक कोई फौत भी हुआ है.
ओके जुल्फिकार भाई इसको थोड़ा सा कॉन्वर्सेशन को आगे बढ़ाएंगे बट एज यू आर द रोल मॉडल एंड राइट नाउ you are the people and including different people who are in the ministries right now are responsible हैं इस टाइम पे सारे सिक्योरिटी एंड प्रोटोकॉल को फॉलो करने के लिए सो व्हाट आर द प्रोटोकॉल्स यू आर फॉलोइंग बिकॉज एवरी डे यू आर मीटिंग दीज पीपल ऑफ डिफरेंट caste breed and for sure आप चाहे वो राशन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हो या एहसास प्रोग्राम की वजह से मीटिंग्स हो सो हाउ आर यू कीपिंग योर सेल्फ सेफ फॉर नाउ प्रोटोकॉल्स बाकी तो सब फॉलो कर रहे हैं जनरल स्टोर्स पर हमने देखा कि वो गैप एंड सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन कर रहे हैं हाउ आर यू डूइंग दैट
Yeah, if I'm very honest, I am not a good example to follow when it comes to precautions. One thing that I do is that I wash my hands very oftenly. Sanitizer के बजाय भी मैं हाथ धोता हूँ ज़्यादा, and then I use sanitizers a lot. मैं मास्क पे इतना नहीं पहनता. Only reason is कि उस पे बड़े conflicting views हैं कि मास्क किसको इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए, किसको नहीं इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए.
या
तीसरी बात ये है कि मास्क आई प्रेफर कि यार वो उस बंदे के पास जाए who's deserving of it. जो
ऑफ
आपके
कोर्स
नॉर्मल जो पतले मास्क होते हैं वो एक्चुअली, इफ अगर मुझे जुकाम हुआ टू प्रोटेक्ट अदर्स, तो मेरे पास
डेफिनेटली
जुकाम था नहीं कि मैं पहनूं. और जो N95 मास्क होते हैं, you know, it's a waste on me. I'd rather have one of my frontline doctors or nurses wearing them who actually
जो भी
deserve them.
पैरामेडिक स्टाफ है जो फ्रंट लाइन पे काम कर रहे हैं एग्जैक्टली जुल्फिकार भाई विद दैट एहसास प्रोग्राम लॉन्च हुआ एंड इसके अलावा देयर आर डिफरेंट इनिशिएटिव्स देयर आर डिफरेंट एनजीओज वर्किंग एज वेल थ्रू आउट पाकिस्तान राइट नाउ इसको किस तरह आप जो है प्रोसेस के थ्रू कर रहे हैं इज देयर एनीथिंग ऑलरेडी डन या इसके ऊपर काम चल रहा है दैट एक ही जगह पे क्योंकि द पॉपुलेशन इज ह्यूमंगस एंड किसी एक इंडिविजुअल या किसी एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट दीज राशंस गवर्नमेंट लेवल पे कुछ इसके ऊपर काम चल रहा है अभी या टू मेक देम
बिल्कुल
स्ट्रेटेजाइज कि आप
एहसास
यहाँ वाले
प्रोग्राम
एरिया
भी.
ले लें
जी देखें, जो एहसास प्रोग्राम है वो तो एक बहुत बड़ा प्रोग्राम है. इट्स द बिगेस्ट, एंड यू नो, Pakistanis living in Pakistan and living abroad, we should be very proud of what the Ehsaas program is. It's the largest, you know, poverty alleviation program ever in the history of Pakistan. और वो भी एक बहुत टेक्निकल तरीके से उनकी स्कैनिंग की गई है, नॉट लाइक द बेनजीर इनकम सपोर्ट बिफोर के, मतलब के 21 ग्रेड के ऑफिसर्स और उनकी बेगम को बेनजीर इनकम सपोर्ट मिलती थी. वी स्कैन them out. We took out around 800,000 people from the original list. तो एक तो ये है, लेकिन ऊपर से ये कि आई इनवाइट एवरीबडी के जो खान साहब का जो पीएम का कोविड रिलीफ फंड है उस पे covid.ophrd.gov.pk पे जाएं तो यू विल सी कि आप राशन का बैग खरीद सकते हैं फॉर $35. यू कैन बाय 10 फॉर 350, देन यू कैन बाय 3,500, यू कैन स्पेंड व्हाटएवर यू वांट। और उस पे पूरे राशन का बैग का ब्रेकडाउन भी है कि उसके अंदर क्या है, डिलीवर होता
And
है।
real
तो
time donation drive भी I guess उसमें that they can contribute an amount as well, उसके अंदर options हैं of the customized amount या already कुछ options।
एब्सोल्युटली कस्टमाइज वगैरह। तो वो बड़ा इंटरेक्टिव और वो बेहतर होता जा रहा है। तो हमको तो दिखाएंगे भी कि वो कहाँ राशन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो रहा है, वो डायरेक्टली पीएम अकाउंट में जा रहा है। तो नो वन इज मोर ट्रस्टवर्दी इन पाकिस्तान देन द प्राइम मिनिस्टर। तो if you have any issues or insecurities or sending it somewhere else, send them to the PM COVID fund.
Definitely. Zulfikar bhai, right now हमने देखा कि एक different race भी चल रही है and different strategies plan कर रही है. The federal is planning different thing and the normal Sindh government is planning different thing. We are definitely hoping and everyone is hoping that आप सब लोग एक पेज पर आ जाएं. But according to the lockdown as well, do you think it's going to further elongate as well? First May के बाद भी, या आपको लगता है कि cases जो expectation थी उससे कम है तो इसको थोड़ा सा leniency भी हो सकती है?
Look, I think the lockdown has already become quite lenient in the sense that we've opened up quite a few sectors, primarily the construction sector and the agriculture sector. So the actual definition of the lockdown is very diverse across the globe. Or if a country like America is struggling with a lockdown in terms of employment and feeding their people, Pakistan stands no chance. So the last thing you want is that people die of hunger before they die of कोरोना। और यहाँ जब आप गांव में जाते हैं तो वैसे ही आप उनको ज्यादा देर लॉकडाउन में रख नहीं सकते पंजाब में, सिंध में। तो जब आप गांव के इलाकों में जाते हैं वो वैसे ही खुले फिर रहे होते हैं, तो why deprive of them food and everything else? So we've opened up a few sectors, dry cleaners now, chemical plants, this and that. So life goes towards regularized lockdown is what we're extending at the moment. And a lot of studies have shown that countries like Pakistan cannot actually afford lockdowns. The original meaning of a lockdown.
For sure.
So it has to be a high.
Yeah. And with that, आपने एक mention, as you have been brought up and raised in UK, you might be familiar with the situation in UK as well. क्या देख रहे हैं आप पाकिस्तान की comparatively situation अगर हम UK से compare करेंगे? Though there are different relief packages, of course, they are the well-developed countries as well. क्या चीजें similarities or things that you are seeing right now in terms of number of cases हो गए या in terms of hospitals and medical supplies?
Look, I have a slightly different view from a lot of other people. I think the views that I go on is basically I look at the hard facts. We can all play with algorithms, we can all play with curves, we can all play with these all these sorts of statistics. But one statistic that you cannot play with is basically number of deaths. Yeah. Now, number of deaths were like at 95 or something of the sort for a 220 million population. If you compare it with the United States, if you compare it with the United Kingdom, if you compare it with any other country, pretty much, we're far better off at 93, alhamdulillah, till date. And Allah kare yahin rahe, or it shouldn't grow at an increasing rate. So the deaths is a hard fact, and it means that, for example, हमने जब ये हुआ था, we ordered a lot of ventilators. We have around 200-300 ventilators sitting in storage at the moment because we only have about 40-50 people on ventilators at the moment. So critically ill and fatality is still very low, meaning that it hasn't become that potent to us as yet, which is the ideal factor. Graph kitne cases हुए हैं, नहीं हुए हैं, that is in my opinion, again, I'm not an expert. In my opinion, I don't hold too much relevance to that, because if 98% of your population has corona, but it's not dying from it and it's recovering at an increasing rate, like Pakistan is recovering at an increasing rate, everything else becomes irrelevant. If you have a virus and the virus goes away, then great. So it's the fatality.
Sure. Yeah, and Zulfi bhai, everyone is right now talking about flattening the curve. There are different world leaders as well जो बात कर रहे हैं कि we have to make this curve flat. इसके लिए पाकिस्तान क्या कर रहा है अभी in terms of flattening the curve? क्या initiative ऐसे हैं, if you just let us know?
Look, we're working aggressively on social distancing as much as possible हमारे माशरे के मुताबिक. We are to flatten the curve, the main thing is that there's a lot of attention being paid to hygiene. Uh, Schools, theaters, parks, malls, all these things are all closed. So, we are keeping any form of a luxury that is not a necessity, we're keeping it pretty closed. So, in these things, we think that's flattened the curve. The lockdown has helped. The limited lockdown that we've had has definitely helped in it. But at the same time, like I said, you don't want that curve, people dying because their immune system is also crashed due to malnutrition, due to the fact that they've got no work and you've got 25% of the population under a poverty line. So, you need to make sure that, that their immune system also stays intact at the same time so deaths don't occur. So this is how we're operating at the moment.
And of course, Zulfikar bhai, how you actually see the life after COVID-19 in Pakistan for sure, क्योंकि हमने देखा है there are certain articles as well जिन्होंने बताया कि life after COVID-19 in New York is going to be a lot more different. जो old age वहाँ पे जितने भी लोग थे वो काफी कम हो जाएंगे. The New York is more going to be like 70s and 80s. Is there any predictions? Is there any according to you that you have figured out yet कि life थोड़ी इतनी different होगी? और ये mask जो है ये throughout रहेगा I guess काफी अर्से तक, even if we get over with this.
Look, it's a very good question, and I don't think anyone really has an answer for it. But the reality is that the world has changed, and it will remain changed after COVID. It could be a pandemic now, but it can also go away now in the next 2-3 months and come back in December again. So these are all options that are on the table. So world has definitely changed for good in a certain way. But one thing is for sure is that we have learned to wash our hands more regularly, which is a great thing in Pakistan. Hygiene has actually become a real issue. But effectively, there we would pray that there will be a vaccine. Your bodies will become immune to it. And what happens with viral pandemics is that when they come, their first surge is always the hardest, and then they gradually tip off. So when they come, if it reoccurs every year, let's say if Corona reoccurs every year it'll become less potent. So that's also and that's a hard fact. So in these things you'll adjust to life. You won't realize that you've adjusted to life after this, but there's a big research, and I'm urging overseas Pakistanis, especially people in academia, to come and give us papers on how they feel that world is going to be after COVID.
Okay, and Zulfikar bhai, and then थोड़ा सा main की तरफ आ गए. एक चीज मैं आपसे पूछूंगा. You are the Minister for Tourism as well, and we have seen that many people were attracted to all these amazing sites. तो COVID-19 के बाद कौन सी ऐसी 3 से 4 locations हैं you would definitely like people to visit to come as tourists as well? कोई ऐसी जगहों के नाम जो not only for overseas Pakistani but the foreigners living everywhere around the world.
Yeah, look, foreigners, I would say that they should come to Malam Jabba for skiing in the winters. Or Pakistan, they should visit places like Palace. I visited with the Prime Minister maybe 2-3 years back. It's one of the most beautiful sites. It's 7,000 meters above sea level, where you have tropical plantation, and there's only 3 places in the world that have tropical plantation 7,000 feet above sea level. So Palace is definitely higher up on the list for me. It's stunning. It's green. It's high. It's mountainous. So that is something that must be visited.
Okay, and in the end, Zulfikar bhai, what are 2 to 3 things that you are often said by जो Prime Minister हैं आपको अक्सर बोल भी रहे होते हैं आजकल के खासतौर से COVID-19 के हवाले से, in terms of performing your duties or in terms of keeping people calm, कौन सी ऐसी 2 से 3 चीजें that you are often मतलब आपको आदत हो गई है वो सुनने की from the Prime Minister?
देखें, इसमें मेन चीज ये है कि we should be happy that we have extremely hard working Prime Minister. और जब से कोरोना हुआ है, लिटरली मैं लेट आया हूँ आपके शो पे इसलिए क्योंकि अभी एक मीटिंग खत्म हुई है and it's like nearly 11 o'clock over. So the Prime Minister is working night and day. तो I mean, he doesn't say it, लेकिन he basically feeds you energy. तो जब भी आप थके हुए होते हैं, he gives you that energy first thing. Second thing, the Prime Minister, he keeps saying that in every disaster there's an opportunity, in every crisis there's an opportunity. That's one thing that he continuously says as his team pep talk. So he generally feels that if we can come out stronger out of COVID, and stronger meaning that we've shown the people that we care, especially the less privileged, that will actually secure you even more for the future. People believe in you more, that when it mattered most, you are fighting for them hard. बड़ा आसान होता है to give charity when you have a lot of money. It's very difficult to cut your own stomach and give charity, you know, in a small sense. So in a larger sense, when it comes to the country, you know, he's just doing a phenomenal. He's so calm. You know, you always get the best out of the PM when there's the crisis. When Pakistan's
Exactly.
running smoothly, you can see that he actually gets a little bit laid back. But when there's a crisis, is always when he rises to the challenge.
Okay. Thank you so much, Zulfikar bhai, for joining us in this Instagram live, and hope to see you in real for sure. दोबारा से जब ये कोरोना वायरस का थोड़ा सा threat कम होगा, and of course lockdown ends as well. And we wish you all the best, and please stay safe as well. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for having me. Take care.
Thank you. Thank you so
Hafiz.
much.